Hello, one and all. It is I, Ragarath, back again with my Satisfactory series, and we've started creating the smart plates and the modular frames up in the top right there. The last thing we need is this thing at the end. So what is that? Is it under here somewhere? None of these. None of these. None of... Oh no, that's cost. Oh, it's up here. So it's automated wiring. So we need to do advanced steel production. So we need to make steel pipes, which we are not doing yet. So let's make some steel pipes, shall we? So our steel is coming up here, but we're not kicking out a massive amount of steel. I don't think it's backing up. I think there's only 45 a minute coming down this way and going into here, and this requires 60 per minute. Yeah, so we're not making anywhere near enough. So let's put a... I'm going to guess that this is... I'm pressing the wrong button. A constructor for this. So let's start it over here somewhere. And yes, so steel pipes. And then we can go that way with them. So let's chuck some more pipes, some more steel onto this conveyor first. Let's not run against the conveyor. That's slower than a slow thing. Hello, doggo. Want some foods? Yeah. I can't remember how to catch them still. Okay, so this one's doing steel. It's creating 45 per minute. Now we could just build another one of these right next to it, couldn't we? And chuck them both onto the same belt. That should work absolutely fine. Except we'll need to get rid of this one. Hang on, what? So that's taking 45 and that's taking 30. This is taking 30. So we're going to need to break this right up here, aren't we? So this one will need to become one for steel as well. And that one can go. So is this a splitter or a joiner? That's a splitter. Where right, so we don't want these, do we, at all? So what we can do is get rid of that entirely. Yeah, and then we can copy that. We'll put it down right next to it. And so what have we got coming up here now? So this is splitting a 60 into a 30 and a 30. Okay, we're going to get rid of all of this because this is going to be... I mean, what have we got here? So this is doing 120, isn't it, I think? If I remember right. Why did I pick up that iron ore? That was silly. Let's have a look. So you do 120. So you're coming up here doing 60, which is going at the moment into there. So that's going to be filling that up. We want this to be split and then split again, don't we? If we take this out... Okay, bear with me. We got this. Right, we're going to fit 2 in here. I think. No, because we've got to have coal going in as well. Okay, so let's have a big think about this. So what we want is... Well, at the moment, we can just split it into 2, can't we? Just have 2. So let's get rid of this entirely. If we just have 2... that will work for what we want at the moment. So let's put you in there. And let's fill you up with some of you. Have some coal too. Right. Then what I can do is bring this over. Down this way. And there's no need to do anything but split this here. I wish there was a better way of getting them up and over. Yeah, so let's split this one here. So splitter, we want to be in line with you. Let's have a look. Is that right? That's right. And then this one, I think, needs to go that way one. And if I've got that right, that'll be straight. No! Fail. I wish you could just target it and then move the hologram again. But once you've built, it's kind of there, which is really annoying. Right, so it's that one, I think. Yes. There we go. That one worked. And then we can put you straight into there. And you can come across this way. Like so. Nice. Okay, so that is now feeding both of those. And you know, it does leave us 30 spare, so we could split some off in the future for another iron node if we need to. But at the moment, let's not worry about that. We need to get the coal over here. Now, we can just do that here with a splitter. So we're just going to put the splitter here. And then we're going to put a merger over here. It should be there like that, hopefully. Now, if we go for a... What's going on? Why am I stuck? What? Am I stuck in this? Ah, I'm out. That was strange, to say the least. Yeah, we only need a normal one because this only requires a little bit. So we can come across this way, and this one goes that way. Nice. You across there. Now split this up then. Which are they need 45 per minute as well, but I've only got probably 60 per minute coming down here from this coal. I may have to find some more coal to feed both of these. Whoa. Okay. Alright, let's change these up as well. So where are you? You can go just there. Look. That keeps you in line then. And allows me to feed both of those. There, that's nice. Right. And this one needs to go in there. Right. Now we can merge both of these lines. That's going to be good. So we want to go that way. And one, two. Go. It's all nice and neat and straight lines. Why are we not working? Is this wrong? Or is this wrong? Let's have a look. Ugh. Okay, so I think we've got the problem again that although you can put this on here, it's not splitting it. It doesn't actually change it to be a splitter, which is really annoying. Looks like you have to manually do it. That's the problem I had before. Right, so let's see if that splits it now, when that coal eventually gets up here. Let's stick some coal in there just so we work on this side for a minute. You can do some more of that. There we go. Now, where's this coal? Is it going to go across this? Come on, split properly. Go both ways, that way and up here. What? I just redid you. Why aren't you splitting? Oh, that one went straight into there rather than... Oh my god. This is really frustrating. It's like, you know, it's not a hard thing to do. It really isn't. Oh my god. Right. Let's get rid of that just so that we know it's definitely going to fit onto the right place. Right. You can go into there. And then let's build this back up. That's wrong. Probably going to have to get rid of that now because of this too. Did I put a merger down? Oh my god, that's meant to be a splitter. Hopefully that'll work. See? No, because of course it didn't. That is ridiculous. Why does the game do that? Absolutely ridiculous. There we go. Right. So this one needs to be like that. And then that needs to go over there. There we go. Are we splitting now? Let's have a look. I'm stuck on something. Don't know what. Right, so now we want another splitter. We're probably going to have to get rid of this actually. So another splitter. Like that. And another conveyor lift. Like that. Right, now that looks like it's moving correctly. Let's put that in there. There we go. Now we've got two running, but probably not with enough coal. But that's okay. We can deal with that. Let's just shove some coal in there and that'll last for a while. Right. And now this bit's not working. Really? Is it this bit again? Oh, I didn't even get it right on there, look. These things are quite frustrating, I tell you. So when I merger here, right, you into there, you there, and you into there. Nice! I think we got there in the end. Right, so that should now be chucking... What are these? These are Mark 1s. This, I think, should be a Mark 2, though. I don't have enough plates. If I change that to a Mark 2... How many are they chucking out? Mark 1's fast enough, to be honest. Yeah, because they're chucking out 45 per minute anyway, which is too much for what I want at the moment, I think. Or is it 45 per minute into this? Yeah, we might have to change them up. No, you're 60 per minute. Oh my gosh. So, you're 60 and you're 30. So I do need that running at full speed, so we'll gather some belties in a minute. Now, where are we going to split this? I'm going to split it here. Because I reckon if we aim for it to come here, like that, and we use our conveyor belt on really? Because it's in the middle of this one, isn't it? Right, we'll get this. Technical bits are being done. Right, so that way, and then into there, then this can go. No, perhaps it can't. No. Alright. Let's have another think about this then. We're going to want to bring this back one, aren't we? But we don't really want to do that because this is going to be the edge of our... Yeah, that's right. We can have this one go through, can't we? So we can come up the middle of this one. That'll be fine. Or the edge of this one even. If we do like this, yeah, I think that'll be good. And then we can do a split here. Did that even fit on? I don't think it did. Yes, that's coming out. But it needs to be off to the side by one. So not right in the middle, off to the side by one. There we go. Then this way. And then we can have our splitter in the middle of this. That'll work. Is that right? Yeah, that's lined up. So why is it not giving me a line? Never mind. This can come over this way. There we go. That looks nice. And down here, no. Can we turn this? Why can't we rotate these? There must be a way of rotating these. I do think the controls on this can be a bit lacking. This is something that Tectonica definitely got right over this. Right. There we go. Now that's running up to those, but we need to make sure this is running at full pelt now. So we need to grab some reinforced frames. They are over this way. Does mean this needs to be a Mark II lift 2. Right. So this is stacking up. Look. Reinforced frames will not be stacking up though, because I'm probably using them all. Where are they going? Into here? That's frames. They're going into this one, aren't they? Okay, so let's take all of those out and stop that doing anything. Thank you for all of those. That's very kind of you. And we want conveyor belt Mark IIs. That's already a Mark II. This needs to be a Mark II. This and this. That needs to be a Mark II. Did that do all of that? No, this bit's not done. That bit. And we've run out. We need more frames. Okay, so we're going to need quite a few. So we need... Oh, we can do that bit. Can we do this one? No, we need one more for there. And we need 22 for here. So 22 plus 1 is 23. Let's go and grab them. Or if we can't grab them, we might have to craft them. We stopped this. Stole a plate. This is taking them too, so I can take them out. And we can pause that one too for the moment. And that should enable us to get some reinforced plates. I'll be back in a second once I've got the 23 required. Okay, so I've just picked up the last plate. So let's run on over and upgrade the last bit of this. Did I get this wrong? Oh no, that's already done. It was this bit, wasn't it? Mark II. Oh, am I one plate bit? Oh, I must have counted up wrong. Oh, what an idiot. That won't give me any, will it? No. Oh no. Okay, more running about. Whilst I'm running about though, I will mention something that I found out. I've been waiting, like in Tectonica, to unlock extra tool belts, but there's actually the default hotkey for them is something like right Alt and then scroll wheel to change the bars. But I have changed that myself, so it's just page up and page down. No, so it's Control Shift even. I didn't use page up and page down. I used Control Shift. So I can actually change these hotbars. So I should really start customizing those hotbars a little bit better in the future. Let's see if we can find one of these plates. There's one. Right. So yeah, I'll do that in future because having I can show you like lovely heart symbols. I love you all. Yeah. Right. Last bit, and then we are done. Although I suppose those bits don't. Yeah, they do need upgrading, don't they? Because they take 60 a minute anyway. So this bit didn't really need upgrading either. Never mind. I didn't mean to do that. I meant to do this, but it's now upgraded all the way along, so that's fine. So we are getting sort of what 90 a minute along here now, which is great. So 90 a minute along here should feed both of these. I'm just going to leave it because there's no way at the moment of me telling this to do a certain amount. I can't tell it just to take 30 a minute. So we'll be splitting 45 a minute into here, but this will fill up and then that one will run at full speed over there as well. So the first thing we need to do is power this. We're just going to do it from here for now. We probably are going to want more power poles down here. Because although this is making us these steel pipes now, we need 100 of them. And then that should be enough. So let's put down... Oh, what's going on here? 5. There we go. Right. So let's bring this along the top here. I wish this line would extend further. Right, yeah, it's fine showing me there, but I want to build it further away. Is it right in the middle, or is it... There we go. Right. That can go into there. Look at this, we've got them coming out already. Okay, I'm going to wait for these to build. That's building them really quick. Or did I just have a load stacked up ready? Let's do them quite quick. 20 a minute. Nice. Okay, so I'm going to wait 5 minutes and then we'll have enough to upgrade to the next level. Assuming I have enough rotors, which I'll also stop as well. See you in a bit. Okay, as you can see, it's turned to nighttime, but I think I have pretty much everything. I need to grab a few more rotors, which should have been made, and I also need to grab these steel pipes, as long as we've made enough. Yeah, look at that. We got loads. So let's take a whole stack of them and then grab some rotors. Yeah, rotors. 1. Oh my god, really? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, don't steal my rotors. No. Oh look, there's loads in there. Okay. We'll steal all of your rotors. All your rotors now belong to me. Right. So that means that we can now start building these wire things as well. And maybe we can even complete phase 2 in this episode. Let's have a look. So if we put these in here. There we go. So that can go and fly through our space elevator and break it, because it likes doing that.
The Miner Mark II allows extraction of resources from nature to fix it at twice the speed of the Mark I model.
Okay, so we can
be
speed up our
directly upgraded to
extraction
Mark
now.
II
That's
without
awesome.
removing the Mark I model, just like conveyor belts and other upgradable infrastructure.
Nice.
Unfortunately, setting up the production of advanced steel parts and project part number 3, automated wiring, will not be as easy. Every
Okay.
moment you delay reduces the chances of saving humanity. I will
sorry.
not show you the predictions, it would only demotivate you.
Okay. Right, so that enabled us to have some more stuff somewhere. Nothing here. Right, so miner Mark II. We need to be making those concrete blocks or whatever they are first as well. What else do we have? We need those wire stacks or whatever they were. Where are they? So we've got... Oh, I still haven't built my truck. Should we build a tractor as well this episode? Let's do that. That's going to be awesome. And walls, I've got a basic wall. You know what? I want to build this. Let's grab some frames. I'm going to build that. So, frames. The frames are all going up in here. Let's stop production of whatever's going on up there. And let's steal these frames. So how many did I need, frame-wise, for this? I needed 15. We got 8. So it's not going to take us long to grab these. It's 10. There's number 2 over here already. 12. So this is making frames. What do you need? Reinforced. But I think I need that to build... Oh, what? Yeah, I don't think I've got any spare reinforced frames. Or do I? There's still a few of those, because I thought that the tractor needed them. Yeah, it does. So let's get this done, and then let's still... There we go. So that's 14. We need this to go through one more cycle. We can get that cycle going by putting those in. Oh my gosh. Put too many in. There we go. Whew. Saved them. And how many of those do we need? My memory is shot at the moment. 3 more. So, is there any? There's 1. 2. Steal it. And then there should be another one waiting. Is it in here? No. Oh, here it comes. Which way is it going? That way. There we go. Now we've got enough of those to make a tractor. Can we just build one? We can. So what do we need the vehicle thing for? Interesting. I'm going to build... Let's just wait and grab one of these frames a minute. Right. I'm going to build it up here. Is the vehicle place the truck station? Oh, okay. So we don't necessarily need a truck station. Let's build one. Oh my god, it's massive. I'm going to build one. No, I'm not. Oh my gosh. No, we're just going to build a tractor. Because I think that's all we need, really. Is a tractor. Hey.
Tractors can use any type of fuel and have a self-driving feature, much like Pioneers, only more reliable.
What?
While driving, you can record a path to automate vehicle resource transportation.
Oh, okay.
Unlike
Cool.
early self-driving vehicles, tractors will not spy on you. Your employee data is already fully subject to other means of surveillance.
So how do I fuel you? Records, hide paths, hide nodes, start recording, enable autopilot, load path, show or hide path, change camera and toggle headlights. So how do I fuel it? I don't know, but I've built a tractor. Yay! Let's also do any research. Well, oh, we got this one we can research. I thought we had one of these. Didn't we have some? We got some spitters. Yeah, look at this. Can we research any of this? Let's take this all out and just see if we can do anything with this. I think I can research sulfur. I took some bauxite, didn't I? So let's do the megaphone. Let's research this first. Cool. So we don't have these two yet.
The remains
That's a
research
hatcher
belong to
and
an
a stinger.
organism that tends to nest near objects emitting specific types of resonance. Spitters are called as such due to their
Ooh, here
ability
we
to
go, we got
create and
this.
spit plasma across long distances. Spitter remains can now be made into alien protein, and additional research may reveal options for improving Pioneer safety during exploration.
Okay. Thank you, Ada. So let's research the Mercer sphere. What's this?
Mercer sphere analysis completed. Established
Dimension
local
depot.
planetary signature of massage 2, AB, B, in the local Mercer sphere signals, allowing them to be tracked by the object scanner. Mercer spheres can also transmit data between specific.
Witness our scripture. Witness our
Ooh.
windows. Have you come to defile our shrine? Sing us on.
Arguing the existence of intelligent alien life. While Fixit has figured out the method, all of the original data is still untranslatable.
Okay. Need to build some of these. I've not found a Suma sloop yet. Don't think. No. What's this? SAM analysis. No. Nutrients. We've got this. So let's find out what we can do next.
This mushroom, dubbed bacon agaric due to its uncanny resemblance to raw bacon, is compatible with the human digestive system and has been added to the object scanner. Further research is available.
So I need some more frames for that. But we can do that one. We don't have one of you. Don't think, no. Don't have a slug. Sulfur I've got. Nice.
This
So we need
unknown
sulfur
chemical
and
element
coal.
was in reality an unusual mixture of solid sulfide and sulfate materials from which sulfur can be extracted. Sulfur's primary use lies in fertilizers, which we have no use for. Instead, this
let's
element
put all this
enables
back
access
away.
to more volatile obstacle clearing and Pioneer defending tools.
Right. That can all go back in there for now. So we've done a little bit of research. What are we doing now? We are going to build these wire things. So, are they part of a constructor? Let's have a look. Select recipe. So, no, they are definitely a part of an assembler. Which means they're going to need 2 bits. There we go. So, oh my gosh, I need to build statters too. Okay, so oh, we've got all the stuff to make a statter. We can bring that up. So if we extend this, we are in the wrong build mode. There we go. Right. Let's take down this temporary ramp. And let's build this out. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to build this all the way along. May as well start building out the second level. Hey. Oh, we've run out. Okay, let's not do that. I do need to have some ramps just while I'm okay, I'll do. I can jump up. I ran out. Okay, so we're getting these into here. Shall we take them down and we can build out this way? I think we'll do that. Yeah. So we're going to need more plates. Let's take some plates out of here. So I think this is not got enough plates. We're going to need to start building more. So we are definitely going to have to start specializing soon. Okay, so we're going to go through the floor here. So on this one, we have the lift go. So this needs to be backwards as well. If I do that. Nice. Right, those are coming out, and they'll be coming down this way. Let's get rid of these. I could do with building some stairs. I think I'm going to need the fix-it shop to buy ladders and things, aren't I? I haven't really put anything in the fix-it shop yet, though. But let's do it in line with these ones. Let's do this. So an assembler. I need 8 plates. Oh my gosh. I'm really not building enough. I really need to speed up production. 8 plates. There's 5 there. Is there some in this one? Oh, look at that. I got 8 plates. That's right. Whew. Just enough. Okay, so what are we looking at here? So one back from the grate for the assembler. So that's along this line. Whoa, it's really close. Where is the... I'm going to do it there. Because this one's got to come from down this way. Because it's coming from here. Right, so you can go into there. And then... I'm going to bring it up here? No, I'm going to bring it along here, I think, and take it through the wall. So that one is the one that we want, or is it... Hang on, let's double check the pattern. So starters need, yeah, just wire. So that's this one. Let's take it straight up in the air. So where is it? Is it on the line? Yeah, it's here, isn't it? Nice. And nice. Yes, that worked. Lovely. Look at that. Here it comes. We need some power over here. So we're going to take it from here. Oh, what am I out of? Rods. Rods! Where are you, rods? I think I'm using all my rods to, like, build stuff. Here, rods. Oh, here, rods. You'll do. Thank you. Oh, there's rods in this one. No, they're being used. Okay. So you're on this one somewhere. Just go there for the moment. That'll be fine. And do we have enough power is the question. Cool, max consumed is above our generated, so we are going to have to build another coal power station as well at some point. Here we go, this is building now. Cool. Yeah, that's good. Right. And then this can come out and back around and down here. Because we're going to take stuff from here, I think, for the next build. But we do need some more of these darn reinforced plates. We're going to steal them from the maker machines quick before they make. It made bad maker machine. How many do we need to make an assembler? We need 8, so we need 3 more of these. There's one. They have just got normal plates in. Here comes 2. Let's wait for this last one. I mean, this is being fed quick enough, yeah. Here it comes. There we go. Right, so we should now be able to build another assembler. So it's going to come out of this. So I think what we are going to do is just... I'm going to stick this right on the end of this one. That's what I'm going to do. And if we lock that hologram, we can just do that for the moment. You might want to change this up later on. But we are coming out of this one. So if we take it up the same route, like that, that'll make it nice and easy to work out where we should be going. And we kind of want it to come here. That's interesting. That isn't going to fit. So let's do this a different way. For the moment, we'll bring this around the edge. Like so. And up here. Probably will want to change this up at some point. But for the moment, this is going to be fine. Now it says it's clipping, but it's not really clipping. It's lying. Like that. There we go. That looks good. get rid of these horrible bits from the bottom. This gives me a few resources back as well. And then we can put this down in line with these ones, I think. That looks to be in line. And then these come out here. So what are we making here? Not starters, because starters are being made the other one. We're doing automated wiring. Here we go. We need power. Nice. That should start working. Oh, it's feeding in now. Right, brilliant. We need to make 100 of those. So let's have a look, first of all, at building another coal power station because we are running low on power. And we don't want everything to grind to a halt, do we? So, first things first, let's build some... Oh no, we're running out of lots of things, guys. Right, I'm going to gather out a load of materials and I'll be right back. Okay, so, I've made a few more bits, so let's see if we can get this all finished up. So what do I need? I need two lots, so let's put this one down here. And let's copy this. And have I used too much of something? No, it was just the wrong way round. Right. So I'm going to lock the hologram there because I can't remember exactly how far. There we go. And this should be in the middle, I think. Yeah, there we go. Right, so we've got another power station up and going. We again need to split on the corner here. So I'm not sure that's going to go in. So let's do a splitter. And, whoa. Apparently my mouse has got really sensitive. I think that's there. That could go in, and that one could go in there. Right. So that should now be doing me some lovely coal. Let's put some coal in this one. And let's get the coal over again. Is it there? I think so. Really? Have I really run out of resources again? I mean, so frustrating. I'm going to have to start making more stuff. And I'm going to have to start making rooms that is just making that stuff. Is that going to be enough, do you think, to build that last little section? We shall find out. And then we'll have 3 coal power stations going, which is great. Oh my god, I needed 12. Hang on. What did that give me? That only gave me 1, didn't it? Oh my gosh. Have I got any more? I've already emptied. There's 1 down there. 2. Oh, there's 1 here. Oh yes, that's several here. 1. Oh no, that's the ring for that. Do I need that ring? I'm gonna try something. Oh, you don't. You can get rid of them. That's 2. 3. I'm gonna take this one as well. 4. Right. Should be just enough to complete that, and then I can build the waterways. Okay, so now to fix the water on, I think I want to get rid of this because I'm not sure. Really not sure here what we're going to do. Are we going to go up again? I don't know. We're going to have to get rid of it. Find out. Because we do now have the... Should we put a pipeline pump in here? I want this coming straight up. I wonder if I do something like... Can I put pipeline support on top? No, you can't put a pipeline support on top of a pipeline. I wonder though, because I've got the... Didn't I get the different height things? I thought I had different heights available now. Uh-oh, power grid gone. I thought I had different heights available. Let's have a look in here a second. Perhaps it was on this one. Yeah, it's on this one, stackable pipeline support. I don't have anywhere near enough to make that yet. So that's going to have to wait. I'm going to have to think of doing this a different way. Which is going to be, I think, with a pump. So let's put a pump in here. Put another pump in. Which way are we going? That way. Okay. But... we also want to have it go up. I don't get... I wonder, actually, if I put one of you in there. And then... Can I change you to go up and down like the other one? Or can I not? Oh. No. Apparently not. Quick switch E. Oh, it only switches between those. That is frustrating some. So I want it really coming off of this one. Right, I know what I'm going to do. If I take this and I just take it straight across, let's keep this level. Okay. Now what that will allow me to do is probably put these in the way I want to. Which is... yes. That's what I want to do. Just can't get over. I wish I was better snappy tools. Okay. So if we get ourselves all lined up with this. It's basically there. Let's do the same on this one. Basically there. Then I can get rid of this and this. And now here's the bit I hope will work. Oh, it did! Look at that. Oh, but I can't have it on this one. Okay. So what I am going to want then is to do the same here. Right, I'm gonna do some wonderful configuration stuff now, guys. Let's bring this straight across. Oh, I tell you what. That is really frustrating. Be right back. Okay, so I've got some more plates again. And let's bring this back across now. Right, so this isn't... Is this going to reach all the way to here? Yeah, but it's overlapping. Pipe is too long. Okay, so the pipe can't be that long. Let's see how long we can get both of these sections. Right, you can come all the way. Yeah, there we go. Right, so that's nice. And that one's already lined up. Now this one we want to line up. Quick switch to this. Okay. Now, what I think I want to do with this one is something like that. And then I want to put another one of these really on the side of it. If you know what I mean. I wonder if we can manage that. If I can get one of these to fit on... No, they don't join. They don't join. You've got to have pipe in between. But I wonder if I put one of these... like that. Get rid of this one. Get rid of that section of pipe. Put that in there. Does that go at a right angle? Yes. And then that one can come across to there. No, I need another one here. So... yes, there's got to be two... So this needs to have one right there. That's how it works. That's good. This is gonna work, guys. So if I do that, and then get rid of all these. Then I can put that one into there. This side can go into there. And now I'm stuck. I can get this way. That's right. This one can go into there. This one can fit into this one. But we are going to still need two here though. Because we're going to need one here to fit into this one as well. So, to do that, we just remove that one. copy a pipe, and we'll put a pipe in there. We'll copy this, and we'll put this in there. And we'll get rid of this pipe, because we don't want that shared between those. Put a pipe in there, and then put that pipe over there. Oh, yes, it works. Is that good? That's good, surely. Not sure if the pump's going to get it up here. Might have to put a pump in here. We'll see about that in a bit. Right, let's... Oh. Have you got enough coal? You've got enough coal, you've got enough water. You've got enough coal. And no water. So we need to get water up here. Does that mean I need to power the water separately? Initially, I think I do. So I'm going to need something to power the water separate. How do I do this? Because at the moment it's all on one grid, and so this isn't going to power everything. Let's have a little think-see. I wonder if... No. Can I build another power? I can build one of those. So let's go up and power the water directly a minute. Yes, it's going to be a bit of a shame. But I could probably dismantle it again straight after. Okay, so I'll be in the water in a second. Okay, so let's build something over here. I think we can just build one here. We'll just have a little section just here for a power thing. You know. Just like this. And then I'm going to stick that in for now. And what I want to do though is put some wire across from there to there. Just so... Yeah, there we go. Like that, just so that we've got water pumping for the moment. And now I'll run back across and get those coal power plants working. Okay, on the way back I did find another Mercer sphere as well. And there's another bit of weird, like, voice stuff. But I should now be able to turn these on. Perhaps not. What's this one on? No. No, because we're drawing too much power still, so I can't turn these on until I've got enough water. But the water's still not getting here. Even though I powered it on. What's going on? It won't be pumping it up here, will it? Because this pump... Oh, hang on. That's got enough water. This one does not. This does not. So it's this that's the problem. How do I deal with that? Do I just disconnect everything initially just to get this running? I assume that's probably the best way of doing it, rather than what I did do, which was put another power station down to power just the water. I think the way to do this might be just to take that off. And then these might have enough power just to keep going a minute. Not you. But you will. There we go. Now we've got enough power. Right, I'm going to be right back. I'm going to go put the water back on the proper power, maybe? But what I need to do is power... Okay. I need to power directly from all of these. So I'm going to, rather than join that on there, I'm going to have one like down here. So all of these are going to be connected to. Here we go. So if I connect all of these up to that, then what I can also do as well is bring this way and power these few items around here. So if I ever get into a problem again in the future, all of this will work down this way by just disconnecting one single wire. Except you're not powering anything. Why are you not powering anything? Did you turn off again? Because you ran out of water? Oh my gosh. So 1, 2, 3. You've already got 4. So I do need to put one of you on each of these. There we go. That's the better setup. That's a better setup. Okay, so all of those now power down through this. We are out of water. But do we want all power stations joined on? I think we do, and we want to be able to remove one bit, which is this one. And then, why have I got so many things here? And then this one can connect on over here. There we go. Now we've got power going. And capacity is good. Pumps going, pumps pumping. Nice. So that should now be bringing this one back on. Yes. Yeah, you're starting to fill up with water. Cool beans. What I do need is another pump in here. Let's have a look at this. So we want a pump here. I can't get over this thing. Ugh. Like that. Right. And if we copy this wire. Copy the wire. Power that. That should pump through these ones, which will bring these ones online. Nice! Now they should all be getting... Yeah, you're filling up. Yeah, we're not dropping too much on that. That's good. What about this last one? Yeah, you're filling up too, and you're burning coal. Brilliant! They are all working. That means I can rejoin this one on here. It was this one to this one. I think. Yes. Capacity is above max consumed again. Keep an eye on your power, guys, because it takes a while to sort this out if you mess up. Right, I'm going to run over and take down that power station I put over here. Be right back. Okay, so I'm back after destroying the other side and reconnecting everything up properly. And so, yeah, we can now just destroy this one bit here, and one power station is enough then to run everything if we have that problem again. We are currently running at a good amount that we've got available, and we can also fit in another coal station over here, probably two to be honest, if we need to. Right, well that's red down there. Why is that red down there? Oh my gosh, how many fixes do we have to do? I think, oh, I've deleted this. That would be my fault. There we go. Now that should be good. Yeah, we're green. Woo! We're fixed. Okay, so this is all looking quite good now and looking nice. We were... Where do we get to? I think we're just waiting now for enough items to be made so that we can get on with upgrading to the next level, to phase 2. So, see how much we have so far of these. 36. So it's obviously going to take a while. I'm going to let this run and see you in a bit. Okay, one and all, I am back after waiting for those to complete. And don't do this because it took forever. Don't wait for it. Please make sure that you get the efficiency up to start with. I did a few things whilst I was offline though. One of them was, whilst I was waiting, my power kept turning off over here. So I redid this, and as you can see, I upgraded to 4 coal power stations rather than the 3 that you last saw. I'm going to explain what was wrong. Now, with these pipes, I couldn't work it out to start with. There was not enough fluid getting into the machines, and I was looking at these and thinking, well, it holds 300 water and it's got 300 in there, therefore I'm obviously pumping 300, and 300 is a lot more than at the time. I had 3 of these, which is 150 meters free of water needed, and it wasn't fulfilling it, and I was a bit confused. I messed around with pumps and put pumps in, etc., and all of that, even though I thought I didn't need pumps because, you know, I've got enough gravity coming down to push it up here without any pumps except for the originating pump, and I just couldn't work it out. And what I found in the end was that these that I thought pumped 300 meters free, they don't. They only pump 120. So it's never going to fill 3 power stations. So I did build an extra pump over in the water and connected them up. And that's enough to run 4 power stations. And yeah, so that's where I got to with them. And as you can see, the power levels are now nice and lovely. There was one more thing that I did to speed things along a little bit, and that was just going over to my coal over here. Because both of these steel production facilities take 45 coal each, and I only had a level 1 conveyor belt coming down. A level 1 conveyor belt only does 60 items per minute, whereas I was going to need 90 items per minute. So I upgraded all of this to a tier 2. So this belt is now tier 2. So both of these were sort of getting their full load of coal now. And yeah, so that has sped things up very slightly, and it still took around 6 hours, I think, for everything to finally resolve and for me to have enough components to finish this off. So let's do this. Let's take all of these out. Oh, we can't. We're going to need to do these one at a time. This is probably why, with these large amounts, you can feed it directly in over here. I wonder if I build something so I can feed in units. No, it doesn't really matter. So I can just come over and feed them in anyway, can't I? Yeah. Let's put those in. So that's 750. So this might take a few back and forths. Well, it's only going to take... Yeah, it's going to take five runs back and forth, isn't it? Because I'll be able to get the 250 out of here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the 250 of those needed. I can probably actually cut this down by going and grabbing 250 or half at least of one of these as well. Which is this one, all the way at the back, typically. So I want to take as much of that as possible at the moment. Then we put them in, and then I can grab the wiring stuff that is over there in the next run. And then we can complete stage 2. And it's been a trek, this one. It has been a trek getting this one done. So if you've got to this part of the video, very, very much thank you for watching. Right, so that's those done. So we need another 500 smart plates, and we need the 100 advanced wiring. Now, we got loads of advanced wiring, because they build quite quick. Yeah. Oh, we don't want all of them. We just want a couple. Right. It's advanced wiring, and then let's get the 500 smart plates. So we want 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yay! Right, let's go and build the stage 2 of our space station-y thing up in orbit there. I'm going to put them in over by the console over here, and we'll watch by the console. Right. So I want to put in those. That's complete, and those, and that is complete. So we need to seal it. Bing, bing, bing. Can we move it straight down yet? No, we've got to wait for it to seal. We're sealed. We're sealed. Coming down. Ada wants to talk to us.
Assembly Pioneer progress
oh, okay, we get a little
Congratulations. The
thing?
Phase 2 project part shipment is now ready for delivery.
Yay.
On delivery, Phase 2 will be completed and the construction dock will be constructed.
the
After
construction
completion of
dock.
Phase 2, the technologies of Tiers 5 and 6
Railways,
will become available
oil,
in the hub.
jetpack, and more.
These might feel intimidating after your previous experience, but
Oil.
rest assured that you would not be here if you were entirely incompetent. Highlights are oil production, railway transportation, the jetpack, and many more. Completing Phase 3 of Project Assembly is your next main objective. Just
So
remember
Phase
to
3
focus
next.
on
We need
producing
more
and
versatile
delivering the
framework.
project parts, and fix its faith in you will be strengthened.
Modular engines and adaptive control units. Okay, so let's send those up. Right, let's go back and watch this. Stand on top of here, shall we? Whoop. Yeah, here'll do. Right. Space elevator going up. Woo! Okay.
Phase 2 of Project
Phase
Assembly
2 is being
completed.
constructed.
You have been performing more adequately under pressure and are closer than ever to saving the day. Perhaps you were the right choice for the job. Time will tell. You will now enter Phase 3 of Project Assembly. Continue as you are, and there should be no
Going
issue.
in a docking
For
ring.
humanity. For Fix-It.
Oh, it's building quite a lot. It's building quite a lot, guys. Brilliant. So that's complete. The elevator is coming back down. If you've enjoyed this episode, then please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out. And I will see you in my next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.